Winter squash is really loving all this water and this warm weather. You can see down in there, there's a bunch of flowers coming. Those are the male flowers. The male flowers come in the center of the plant and have the pollen. The female flower is on the end of the fruit. Here's a male flower. You can see the one next to it. You see there's no fruit underneath it. And that flower only has pollen in it. And if we move down along the stem, right here, we can see a bud that's on the end of a fruit. So when that flower opens, it will have a sticky thing in the middle called a pistil. And it relies on bees and wasps and things carrying the pollen from the one male flower over to the female flower. If no pollen moves, then that fruit will abort. The fruit is what turns into a squash and has seeds. And it's always a little bit of a bittersweet day when we put the disc into the strawberry patch. We've mowed them off, disc them in, and we're getting this ready so that we can plant kale and fall crops where the strawberries were. It's challenging to raise berries without using any sprays. Because ours are organic, we need to make sure that the diseases and the pests and things do not build up. So we only fruit them the 1 year. We turn them in and rotate that field into something different. With all this moisture and temperature, things will rot down quite quickly and the field will be ready to replant in 2 to 3 weeks. And my bird of the day is the osprey. It's a fish eater. It lives almost 100% on fish. So it lives near rivers and water. This guy was flying along the river and then flew into this perch to take a good look around before he flew off and kept heading down toward Woodstock. I think he's probably one of the ones from the pole that has a nest on it in Grafton. It's always something to see how hooked the end of his beak is, which is a special adaptation allowing him to eat fish.